Hello class, this is a video tutorial on exponential equations that are reducible to a quadratic. So here we go. It's a bit of a hint there. It's already showing that this is going to become a quadratic. In this first example, I'm going to go through all the different index laws that I'm using to get to the point. And then in the second one, we'll use some shortcuts. So here we go. Firstly, I'm going to change 4 to the power of x. That's going to become 2 squared to the power of x, which, since we're multiplying these, because it's index to the power of an index, this becomes 2 to the power of 2x. So I could actually write this as 2 to the power of 2x. But more specifically, I'm going to write this as 2x squared. Now, in this form, it makes it more obvious to do a u substitution. So in this case, I'm going to let u equal 2 to the power of x. Because now, this is going to become u. This becomes u squared minus 12u plus 32 equals 0. Then from here, we use what we know with factoring quadratics. Two numbers that multiply to negative 32, but positive 32, but add to negative 12. I can think of this being u minus 4 and u minus 8 equals 0. This will give us, I'm going to skip a few steps here. Since this is u equals 4, but u is equal to 2 to the power of x, so this becomes 2 to the power of x equals 4, and this is also 2 to the power of x equals 8. And then from here, you can see we can change these forms. 2 to the power of x equals 2 squared, so x is equal to 2. Likewise with this, 2 to the power of x equals 2 cubed. X must equal 3. So this has two solutions that give us this, two solutions to this equation. Now that we've seen this, I hope you can see that these have been nicely constructed to see the substitution that we need to do. So here we go. 9 to the power of x, well, that is 3 to the power of x squared minus 12, 3 to the power of x plus 27 equals 0. Now, in this one, I did do a u substitution, but you'll see that it doesn't necessarily need to do it because I can actually just factor this as if this was u. So in this case, just what two numbers multiply to positive 27 but add to negative 12? Well, that's going to be negative 3 and negative 9. And instead of just using u, I could leave it as 3 to the power of x, like this. But of course, if you want to use the substitution of u, you may, but you can factor out into this. Well, then from here, it's the same steps. 3 to the power of x equals 3. 3 to the power of x equals 9. So this is 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 1. So x is equal to 1. And 3 to the power of x equals 3 squared. So x must equal 2. And yeah, that's essentially it. Hope to see you in the next video where we tackle slightly more tricky ones, as you can see here. We've got these extra plus 2s and minus 1s. So yeah, hope to see you then. Best of luck.